some of us made an unorthodox announcement in the park last weekend, and I think it was important for us to do that because of the urgency of the times that we are in. I think we're in a moment when many in our community were voicing a level of anguish and pain and a sense of feeling unheard that had accumulated over many years, and were risking their health to be in the streets demonstrating. And the declaration that we made gave many in our community a sense of being heard, not of being satisfied, not of having achieved their goals, but a sense of being heard enough that they could pause and care for themselves and move on to the next phase of activism and advocacy and co-governing that we're going to need to move into. And it was important for us when we identified that there was alignment, when we identified that we were ready to declare our intentions to transform our city's approach to public safety. It was important that we do that. At the same time that it gave many people comfort, it also gave many people anxiety because it was unorthodox, because it did not come with the plan and the framework and the official structure that this kind of a process would need. And so I'm so grateful to the city staff who took time to respond to drafts of this, to tell us if we were asking for the right things on the right timelines, to create this framework so that we can move together as an enterprise and do the thing that we're being called to do, which is to lead a process that reaches out to everybody, the people who currently are feeling heard and the people who are currently not feeling heard. And we need to make sure that by the end of this process, everybody understands how their input can be received, how their input can be meaningfully included, and how we're going to center the voices of the people most impacted in this discussion.